Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. In this episode, we'll be leaving Bruneau Sand Dunes State Park in Idaho and heading off to Boise, where we're going to spend a week with Ray and Anita. So come along for the ride as Down the Road We Go. Okay, we're in Bruneau Sand Dunes State Park in Idaho. We're only got about an hour and a half till we get to Ray and Anita's house, and we're getting ready to set out this morning. This is a pretty nice little campground, except that the wind was blowing about 40 last night, and it was not fun at all. Had to pull the slides in, and it was like a dust storm or something. It was not fun, but the claim to fame here is these big sand dunes over here. They're supposed to be the largest standalone sand dunes. They don't know why the sand is here, but I guess you can climb them, but you can't take a four-wheeler or anything. And they also have, I don't know if you can see it, like an observatory, because it's really dark out here. So they like to look at stars at night. So this is what the spots look like. Of course, it's, you know, it's out west, so it's dirt and gravel. And there's Miss Mellon and Mr. Bob parked there. Ray and Anita are getting ready to pull out. I'm waiting for Shirley to get the slides in. We do that, and then we'll head out. They have a pavilion. I try not to get in the sun too much here. Looks pretty nice over there, but it's a nice campground. It's like $44 because I would have had $5 off if I was a state resident, but other than that, it's like $44 for a night. A little expensive for a state park, but I guess that's the way it is out here. So okay, here we go. Down the road we go to Ray and Anita's house. We're going to spend about a week there, then take off and head back home. So we'll catch you then. Enjoy the ride, guys. Okay, so we're getting ready to leave Bruneau Sand Dunes in Idaho. It's a state park right outside Mountain Home. And we're heading to Ray and Anita's house, which is up outside. It's in Meridian, Idaho, outside of Boise. Down the road we go. Another adventure. Last night was not fun at all. 30 to 40 mile an hour winds. Had to pull the slides in.
We timed that just right.
Yeah.
Really did.
Yep. For once. Oop, window up. It's cold. It's kind of chilly here this morning. Here we go. Here we go again, the gasoline or diesel shuffle, trying to get into a small Chevron station and get fuel, then get out. That's the hard part. The getting in is always easy. The getting out is not fun. What? Oh, just wait for Ray to move?
Probably that way, and then you can pull straight out.
Yeah, because I don't think I can get this big Hummer. Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. In our next episode, we'll be going for a day trip from Boise up to Idaho City, which is up in the mountains above Boise, where we're going to look at some antiques, and just see what is going on up in the mountains. So come along for the ride as Down the Road We Go.